Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. Today, let's explore this week's featured oil of the week, tea tree. Now, tea tree oil isn't just another trendy remedy. It is a time-honored essential that has been used by Indigenous Australians for centuries. The tea tree, or Melaleuca alternifolia, is native to the coastal regions of eastern Australia. For thousands of years, Indigenous Australian communities have crushed its leaves to treat wounds, infections, and respiratory issues. These traditional uses were passed down through generations, long before tea tree oil became known worldwide. Think of it as a little bottle of clarity. It's known for its purifying, antibacterial, and soothing properties, and honestly, I reach for it anytime my skin acts up or my space needs a refresh. Got a stubborn blemish? Just a drop, well diluted, can calm it down. Or, if you're looking to quiet a fungal flare-up, tea tree's your gentle ally. I even love adding a few drops to my diffuser when my mind feels cluttered. Its crisp scent kind of sweeps the cobwebs away. But beyond its practical uses, tea tree brings an energy of balance. It reminds me to clear out what doesn't serve me, whether that's physical or emotional clutter. Here's a simple ritual you can try. Add 2 drops of tea tree oil to a bowl of steaming water, close your eyes, and take a slow, mindful inhale. Allow the steam and aroma to ground you in the present moment. Imagine the air and your thoughts clearing out with each breath. Always remember to dilute tea tree oil before using it on your skin, and keep it away from pets and little ones. Let's find silence together, one breath, one drop at a time. Thank you for watching. Join us next week for another Oil of the Week.